Today I'm going to teach you how you can create Brainrot videos, just like Bombardilo Crocodilo. Let's see what we will be creating.
Bombardiro crocodilo, un fottuto alligante che vola e bombarda I bambini a Gaza e in Palestina. Non crede in Allah.
I have no idea what he's speaking about, but I'm going to show you the process of creating these kind of videos. Let's get started. The first thing that you need is an AI image generator. That's the very first step. Now I don't want to restrict you in any kind of tool. Below in the description you will find the image generators link. You can select any kind of image generator out of all of these in the NoFX website. Choose the one you want, click on the link and you will find the link and the tutorial associated with it. In this tutorial I will be using Flex Clip, which I showcased in the previous video. So the first step is creating a prompt and getting an image. Okay, so the prompt will be generate an image of a monkey holding a banana and the background is the jungle. So that's what I'm going to do. Set the aspect ratio to be vertical and you can put as many images as you want. I will go with image count 1 just for the sake of it. AI prompts, improve prompt, generate. So I'm using Flex Clip for this specific use case. You can, again, as I've told you, use any AI. You can use any AI generator. It doesn't really matter. So we're going to get a monkey holding a banana. Okay, so that's the very first step. So this is image, boom, downloaded. I'm going to use again Flex Clip. This is my go-to tool because I really like it. So what I'm going to do in this case is I'm going to select AI image to 3D animation. But if you want to make fun of your friends and if you don't want to just create Brainrot videos for you, you can put the image of a monkey here. You can put the image of one of your friends or even your own face. That's what I have done with my friends. I showed them like a video of mine. I will show it to you later on. And it was very funny. We all had so much fun. So let me take one of my images. Okay, let's put it here. We will try to face swap. Now, in terms of face swapping, a lot of these tools may not be able to get the face of the monkey. So I would highly suggest that you try the face swap of ChatGPT. So this is another use case. What you want to do is put the two images like I've done here and you want to say it to replace the face of the monkey with the face of the person. And I got like these results. It's not 100%, but still looks nice, looks good, and it's funny. So that's what I would do. And yeah, Flex Clip could not handle it. That's like a bonus. You don't need to do it. The next thing you want to do is 3D photo animation. So we upload the image here, which is the monkey image. Let's do that. And what this will do is it's going to animate the image. So it's going to be even better than the result we've seen previously. So you can see here the monkey and you can set the duration. I would go for like 10 seconds and you can see here a nice zoom in and adding some zoom and you can export to a full HD. So that's what you want to do to get very good quality out of the video. And you know, it's nice. It looks nice. We get that and we have downloaded the video, which is the Flex Clip 3D image. That's what we are going to use. The next thing you want to do is open GPT or whatever AI you like to use and generate essentially a clip, or you want to generate a script like Bombardilo Crocodilo, but you talk about a monkey called Airito Cavlamanito and the monkey is in the jungle and you can specify the length of the script and the language and maybe give it one of your first very strange iterations. So let's open up the new chat and Airito, let's say Airito Cavlomanito is a funny monkey who likes bananas of all colors, ... Okay, so you can generate whatever prompt you want. And yeah, the language of the script should not be Greek in your case. You may want to go with Italian. So maybe we want to do Italian. We won't be able to understand what it says, but again, it's going to be very, very funny. The prompt will be essentially in Italian and, you know, I don't understand what it says. So that's the second thing. You also get these, script for text to speech. And then you want to go to text to speech in 11 Labs, okay? So that's what you want to do. You want to find a very funny voice. So you click text to voice, the link for 11 Labs will be down below for you to check it out. And you can go ahead and select a specific voice. So you want the defaults and you can test them out.
Ah, grida tutto il giorno con...
Okay, so that looks good. You can download also the audio. If you play around with more of these options and the premium voices, you can really get the exact voice you want, but this is not the case for this video. Then you want to download like this music. It's called, guys, Scary TikTok Music Meme Effect Sound. Then you want to open up YouTube to MP3 downloaders, and you can select whatever you want, really most of these work, and just download the audio. So after you've done all of these things, you have the audio, you have the video, and you have the music. So let me show you the previous result, which is, let's say it's me. That's what I try to do. I use Adobe Premiere for video editing. You can use CapCut, whatever you want, whatever is cheaper. It's very easy to use these tools. You can watch a tutorial on YouTube. I look forward into creating a simple video editing course. So anybody that wants to follow along with other kind of like these tutorials of Brainrot videos or video can follow around. So let me show you what was the result was. This is Greek, so you won't understand anything, but it's very funny.
Μένος πίθηκος, κάνει λάστιχο. Αν πετύχει δομενίτο στη ζούγκλα, πηγαίνει τείχο-τείχο. Δεν είναι απλός, είναι ανεμοστρόβιλος με μπανάνα. Κοιτάει, φωνάζει, ούνκα, μπούκα και μετά τσεσαι. Ένας
So if you know Greek, this is one of the funniest, things you could do. So we get the flex clip video, we get the 11 labs, and we also get the scary TikTok sound. It's really only 3 elements. We place the first, which is the sound, down. We place the 3D image here, and we also place the voiceover. So I don't know what the voiceover is. Probably the voiceover is the first thing. Okay, so we put the music, we align it a little bit. These are very simple things. I don't want to waste any of your time with the very specifics. I think you could, if you can watch this tutorial, you can do it on your own. So let me show you the result. This is really funny. This is very, very funny. In all honesty, like, I'm not joking. I really love this. So I will adjust the speed of the video so it is a little bigger, and I'm going to also cut the end of the sound. Maybe, you know what? Maybe we will speed up the voice actor just a little bit, and we're going to cut the video a little bit. So let's see.
Salta nella giungla come una pallina, di blu e rosa, ride, balla e fa ogni cosa. La noia mira in un forno.
So this is like the video, a simple Brainrot video created in just 10 minutes, and you could potentially in the future just automate everything from AI image generation, AI to 3D. You can literally do this very easily. And maybe I will do an NA10 tutorial that automates all of these things, and that could be very good. So thank you so much for watching, a very simple, funny video for today, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.